Hello everyone, this is Parshuram from SRDM Academy. In this video, I will share you how to steal competitor ad strategies for free. Before watching this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon so that you will never miss an update from us. In this digital world, every business is on online and everyone are running ads on social media platform. Creating an ad strategy for any business is not that easy. So in this video, I will share you how to spy competitor Facebook ad strategies. To run any kind of ads in social media platform or in Google platform, we need to have good ad creatives and text and headlines. So by making that headlines and good ad creatives, it takes lots of time to get an idea. So in this video, I will share you how to spy on competitor ad strategies, that how those competitors are using an ad creatives and headlines to run their ads. So for that, Facebook itself is providing one free tool, facebook.com/ads/library. So going to this URL, in this URL we can find the all the competitors ad strategies, like which active ads are there and which are inactive or which are in active stage of the ads which are there running. We can see in this ad library, we can search all kind of competitor ads. So now search for any ads by advertiser name. Let's say if you are if you want to search any competitor ads, so you can search with the name of that particular company. For example, I have a restaurant and I am delivering food to home. So now who is my competitor? I will be having my list in my data. So with that, I am going to see who are my competitors. Let's say for example, Swiggy is my one of the competitor. So I want to know the ad creatives and the headlines and the text, how they are running their ads in the social media platform. So now I want to know the competitor ad creatives. Like if I want to know from Swiggy, so you can see here. So in Swiggy, you can see here in Facebook there are like almost 1 million likes, and in Instagram you can see it is like 2 lakhs followers for their pages. Now you can see here there are 310 results. That means starting from the the Swiggy where they have been established, they have run completely 310 ads in India. You can even see the platforms like a Facebook platform, Instagram platform, audience network, and the messenger. So in the next video, I will share you what is this audience network. So now you can see which are in active ads, which are in active right now, and this ad is inactive. So now you can see here this ad is been created on July 4th, and this ad is created on July 4th. So these ads are in active stage, and it is in the social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and even in Messenger. So these are the ad creatives which Swiggy ads are running in an active stage. So now by seeing this, you can come to know uh, how they are using their ad creatives to run an ad, and what kind of ad text they are keeping, and the headlines what they are keeping for an ad. In the similar way, for example, I am taking one of the ad. I want to see the details of the ad of any ad creatives. So for example, I want to see an ad of this ad. see ad details. You can find the headline, get your favorites delivered from home safely via Swiggy by ordering in from restaurants with best safety standards. So by using these kind of headlines, you can create your own ad creatives by copying their competitors, and by copying the competitors headlines. In the similar way, you can translate with your company, with your ad. So it becomes very easy to create your headline. In the similar way, the ad creatives, best safety standards, it's like a trusted symbol they have kept, and they are giving a discount and use code, and they are serving with the images of the recipes. So Swiggy, so this is one of the Carsol ad. By seeing this ad, we can know how this ad creative is done. So now you can even get the headline, and you can even get the idea of the ad creative. According to that, you can create your own ad creative, and you can start running ad. Not only any kind of restaurant. So for example, I have been taken as a Swiggy. In the similar way, if you are into different kind of verticals of the business, so either it could be a service related business, or it could be any kind of business which is in online, and whether your competitors are running ads on online, any kind of ads you can see using this Facebook ad platform. So I hope you like this video. Thank you.